Our first animal is cat. Which is our first animal? Is cat. C-A-T, cat. So now we will going to learn dog. D-O-G, dog. Our next animal is cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. Very good. Our next animal is goat. G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Goat. Our next animal is elephant. Yes. Big, huge. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So now we will going to learn something about monkey. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Our next animal is horse. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse. So our next animal is sheep. Sheep. S for sheep. S for sheep. Our next animal is pig. P-I-G, pig. Pig. This is a pig. P for pig. Our next animal is hippopotamus. Our next animal is hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. We can also call it hippo. Okay, so let's call hippo. Our next animal is zebra. Zebra. Z for zebra. 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 Our next animal is camel. C for camel. 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 Our next animal is deer. D for deer. 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 Our next animal is tiger. T for tiger. 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 This is a tiger. This is a tiger. So our next animal is cheetah. Our next animal is cheetah. Cheetah. C for cheetah. Our next animal is bear. Bear. B for bear. B for bear. Bear is a wild animal. Bear is a wild animal. Our next animal is lion. Lion. L for lion. Lion. Lion.